As I look out into the ocean, I'm in awe and entranced by the waves. I feel harmony as they go to and fro. Free like the wind, they're so gentle and brave. They do exactly as they please. They're sometimes strong with a force and occasionally a gentle breeze. There's a pattern in their rhythm, each one with its own unique system. As I stop and I look at the waves and how they welcome me into their waters, they tell me that I am Mother Nature's son and their daughter. I breathe in the fresh air and it relaxes my mind. The sound of waves crashing and residing makes me unwind. You know, I have never ridden a wave. I close my eyes and imagine how it would feel, like a bird coming out of a cave. I am filled with so much like this ocean, filled with so many thoughts and so much emotion. Their rhythm is embedded in serenity. Looking at the waves, I feel a sense of solidarity. So now I close my eyes and I feel the presence of the wave. I release all of my worries and I embrace being brave.